everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. So today we're going to learn how to unlink your YouTube account from Capcut. You click your Capcut app on your phone and then you will see your profile settings and notifications. What you have to do, you click on your profile and then you click on manage account. Under that, you will see what accounts are linked to Capcut. As you can see, my Google account is the one which is linked to Capcut, and this Google account is also my YouTube account. Is the email I've used on my Google is the same email I've used on my YouTube account. So I clicked on Google and I got a pop-up notification that I had to click either TikTok or Facebook to unlink my Google account from Capcut. Like I could not just unlink and let it not link to any other account. So I chose the TikTok account, and as you can see, those are the terms and conditions of Capcut that I was just reading through so that I can know what I was getting myself into. After reading through carefully, I had to authorize Capcut to link to my TikTok account. By doing so, it took me back to Capcut, where by now I had two accounts that are linked to Capcut. So I had to unlink my Google account now. And as you can see, I was successful in unlinking it, but now it was linked to TikTok account. I guess you just have to link one of your accounts to Capcut for you to unlink another account. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. For more information like this, kindly subscribe.